morning to all my employers in Hong Kong. I am Rachel Ann Ramos, a mother of 3 children here in Malita, Davao City. I have experience in fast food, mom, because I work in a fast food, and I have experience in a babysitting because I am a working student before.
What experience do you have in taking care of children?
Of course, mom, I will be patient with them and give them nutritious foods, and I will assist them if they have homeworks.
If the child is not feeling well, what will you do?
If the child is not feeling well, I will get the temperature and inform my employer.
If your employer has visitor, what will you do?
I will greet the visitor of my employer, mom, and give them some snack.
Are you willing to take care of pets like cats and dogs?
Yes, mom.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to help my family, to raise goodwill to my children, and I will help my husband and my family in a financial way.
If you are lucky to be selected, what can you promise your future employer?
If luckily selected, mom, I will promise my employer to be loyal and be patient to them, and I will finish my 2-year contract. Thank you.